Today we will learn how a refrigerator works, step by step. A refrigerator does not create cold air. It removes heat from inside the fridge and releases it outside. It works using a refrigerant and a continuous cooling cycle. Now let us understand the process step by step. Step 1. The thermostat detects temperature. Inside the refrigerator, there is a thermostat. When the temperature rises above the set level, the thermostat sends a signal. The compressor turns on. Step 2. The compressor compresses the refrigerant. The compressor is located at the back or bottom of the refrigerator. It is the heart of the system. The compressor compresses the refrigerant gas. When the gas is compressed, its pressure and temperature increase. Now the refrigerant becomes a hot, high-pressure gas. Step 3. The condenser releases heat. The hot gas flows to the condenser coils. These coils are usually located at the back of the refrigerator. As the hot refrigerant passes through the condenser, it releases heat to the surrounding air. That is why the back of a refrigerator feels warm. As heat is removed, the refrigerant changes from gas to liquid. Now it becomes a high-pressure liquid. Step 4. The expansion device reduces pressure. The liquid refrigerant then moves through a capillary tube or expansion device. This device reduces the pressure of the refrigerant. When pressure drops, temperature also drops. Now the refrigerant becomes a cold, low-pressure liquid. Step 5. The evaporator absorbs heat. The cold refrigerant enters the evaporator coil inside the fridge compartment. Warm air from inside the refrigerator passes over the evaporator coil. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the food and air inside. As it absorbs heat, the refrigerant changes from liquid back to gas. At the same time, the inside of the refrigerator becomes cold. Step 6. The cycle repeats. The refrigerant gas returns to the compressor. The entire cycle starts again. This process continues automatically to maintain the set temperature. Now let us understand one more important function. When warm air inside the refrigerator touches the cold evaporator coil, moisture in the air condenses into water. In modern refrigerators, this water is removed automatically through a defrost system. This prevents ice buildup. A refrigerator works on the same basic refrigeration cycle as an air conditioner. Compressor, condenser, expansion device, evaporator. These four main components make cooling possible. In simple words, a refrigerator works by removing heat from inside the cabinet and releasing it into the surrounding room. It does not produce cold. It removes heat. Now you understand how a refrigerator works step by step. Thank you for watching HVAC official channel.